Getting rid of that stubborn belly fat is a common weight loss goal. Research suggests abdominal fat is linked to diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Losing belly fat can be extremely beneficial for your health and well-being, not to mention the boost in self-esteem that comes with weight loss. To measure your abdominal fat, start by measuring the circumference around your waist with a tape measure. Any measurements above 40 inches in men and 35 inches in women is known as abdominal obesity. Certain weight loss strategies can target belly fat more than other areas of the body. Here are 10 tips to lose belly fat backed by science. 10. Probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that have health benefits when eaten. Probiotics are found in both supplements and fermented foods. Probiotics may improve your immune function, digestive health, and heart health, as well as some other health benefits. Several studies suggest probiotics can help you lose weight and reduce belly fat. Studies suggest that gut bacteria may play a powerful role in body regulation. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Drinking apple cider vinegar has some pretty impressive health benefits, including lowering blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce abdominal fat storage in several animal studies. A study in men diagnosed with obesity, who took 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar per day, lost half an inch from their waists. Taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per day is safe for most people and may lead to modest fat loss. Be sure to dilute the apple cider vinegar with water, as undiluted vinegar can erode the enamel on your teeth. 8. Sleep. Sleep is important for many aspects of your health, including weight. Studies show that people who don't get enough sleep tend to gain more weight. A 16-year study involving more than 68,000 women found that those who slept less than 5 hours per night were much more likely to gain weight than those who slept 7 hours or more per night. In addition to sleeping at least 7 hours per night, make sure you're getting sufficient quality sleep. If you suspect you may have sleep apnea or another sleep disorder, speak to a doctor and get treated. 7. No carbs. Cut back on carbs, especially refined carbs. Reducing your carb intake can be very beneficial for losing fat. You don't have to follow a strict low-carb diet. Some research suggests that simply replacing refined carbs with unprocessed starchy carbs may improve metabolic health and reduce belly fat. A high intake of refined carbs is associated with excessive belly fat. Consider reducing your carb intake or replacing refined carbs in your diet with healthy carb sources, such as whole grains, legumes, or vegetables. 6. Don't eat a lot of sugary foods. Sugar contains fructose, which has been linked to several chronic diseases when consumed in excess. These include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and fatty liver disease. Studies show a relationship between high sugar intake and increased abdominal fat. More than just refined sugar can lead to belly fat gain. Even healthier sugars, such as real honey, should be used sparingly. Excessive sugar intake is a major cause of weight gain in many people. Limit your intake of candy and processed foods high in added sugar. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Shelf Health for all the best health-related information, and be sure to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. 5. Reduce stress. Stress can make you gain belly fat by triggering the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. Research shows that high cortisol levels increase appetite and drive abdominal fat storage. If you are already overweight, increased cortisol further adds to fat gain around the middle. To help reduce belly fat, engage in pleasurable activities that relieve stress. Practicing yoga or meditation can be effective in relieving stress. 4. Protein. Protein is a very important nutrient for weight management. High protein intake increases the release of the fullness hormone PYY, which decreases appetite and helps you to feel full. Protein also raises your metabolic rate and helps you to retain muscle mass during weight loss. Many observational studies show that people who eat more protein tend to have less abdominal fat than those who eat a lower protein diet. Be sure to include a good protein source at every meal, such as fish, eggs, dairy, whey protein, and beans. 3. Soluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel that helps slow down food as it passes through your digestive system. This type of fiber promotes weight loss by helping you feel full, so you naturally eat less. It may also decrease the number of calories your body absorbs from food. Furthermore, soluble fiber may help fight belly fat. A study in over 1,100 adults found that for every 10-gram increase in soluble fiber intake, belly fat gain decreased by 3.7% over a 5-year period. Make an effort to consume high-fiber foods every day. Excellent sources of soluble fiber include flax seeds, Brussels sprouts, avocados, legumes, and blackberries. 2. No fruit juice. Although fruit juice provides vitamins and minerals, it's just as high in sugar as soda and other sweetened beverages. One serving of unsweetened apple juice contains 24 grams of sugar, half of which is fructose. To help reduce excess belly fat, replace fruit juice with water, unsweetened iced tea, or sparkling water with a lemon wedge. 1. Cardio. Aerobic exercise is an effective way to improve your health and burn calories. Studies suggest it's particularly effective at slimming your waistline. Studies also show that it's one of the most effective forms of exercise for reducing belly fat. However, results are mixed as to whether moderate or high-intensity exercise is more beneficial. In any case, the frequency and duration of your exercise program are more important than its intensity. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Top Shelf Health.